Goko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Muthenya wa umuthi regime ino ni onani atiriri ati Rigathi wa Gachagua ni amaikitie kona. Munduti Kipchumba Murkomen uyu ni CS wa Interior ni augite nakera akenya atiriri video cia Rigathi wa Gachagua maundu maria araria ekore US ati andu matige ku distribute video show na wa distribute no wikora hatikaini ya kunyitwo tondu information iria ati Rigathi wa Gachagua aracia ni information itari na uma wa maundu maria araria. That shows that this regime ni maigiritie guoya. Video ni ndamwikira na tena mukira video yo o Murkomen ni ugite o thini wa kanyamu ga trend muno. Public officers who speak ill of government should be fired immediately. Murkomen augitio public officers who speak ill of government should be fired immediately. That is mundu tashivo ati aria olwa thirikari ino ati riu ukire wite mutongoria bũrũri Kasongo uge one term we ni kuinuka ukuinuka. Ni marutirwo mikana public officers othe ni marutirwo mukana ni Kipchumba Murkomen matikaria oru ona hanini wa regime ino no come praise ino video Oscar Kipchumba Murkomen akeri ohoro wa video cia Gachagua na tolo ugo tu mundu ti methu ni acokeirie Kipchumba Murkomen ha aerete public officers matikarie oru wa thirikari methu ni amacokeirie ni twambe tuthikire video ino ya mundu ti Kipchumba Murkomen akeri ohoro wa video cia Rigathi wa Gachagua.
And I think that it's no longer a joke. Who the deputy president, former deputy president is at the moment is no longer a joke. You most of you share TikTok posts of his messages and so forth. You are actually the ones who are encouraging a person who is unwell to continue saying more things that are going to hurt our country.
We ni Mwaki wa mundu ti Kipchumba Murkomen akiuga horo wa video cicio ciratumwo guku nenda-ini cia Rigathi wa Gachagua na kauga ati andu acio maracia nio mara encourage mundu ti Rigathi wa Gachagua kwendea kwaria uguo. But remember miario ira Rigathi wa Gachagua aritie ndangiria oro uguo atari na evidence. Now reke tuke ha Murkomen akiuga public officers who speak ill of government should be fired immediately. Mundu ti methu ni acokeirie mundu ti Kipchumba Murkomen naga quote katiba uria yugite kava methu senator wa Nyandarua erita Murkomen yo. Well, Mr. Onesphorus Kipchumba Murkomen, I expected you to know the constitutional better being an advocate. Article 38 of COK states every citizen is free to make political choices. Police officers, chief and citizens. Remember, higwari ohoro wa public officers ne including Faridi. Mufarithi ati TikTok thirikari okainuka. Na mundu ti methu akera mundu ti Kipchumba Murkomen katiba uria yugite article 38 every citizen is free to make political choices. Police including police officers, chiefs and citizens because he's every citizen. Mundu ti methu arathi quote article 32 every person, including police officers and chiefs, in quote, every person, in quote, including police officers and chiefs, have the right to the freedom of expression. Medu akogera, freedom of association. Article 36. Every person has the right of freedom of association, including the one-term movement. Medu. Article 10 binds you as a state officer to respect and uphold the democratic rights of police officers and chief. Making William Ruto a one-term president is patriotic duty of every Kenyan. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Mwaki wa uria methu wagwete ni Mwaki wa modu maria mundu ti CS wa Interior Kipchumba Murkomen augite. Now, from my point of view, Rigathi wa Gachagua ni atwikite threat nene muno kwi regime ino. Regime ino eho Rigathi wa Gachagua ni akoretwo threat nene muno. Miario iri aretie kuri US ni ndimwikire video shaha ni miario iratuma regime ino ndikone toro. Remember, Rigathi wa Gachagua ndagithi kwaria maundu na kuria US atari na evidence yamo. Murkomen akiaria maundu maya ni tondu ni muhutie ni undu wa miario ya Rigathi wa Gachagua. Gachagua ni muigua wi kironda-ini, ni aramagia muno. As we speak, ni njui ona kinara uria arauga thaa ici ona kaba mangiahotia kumu maintain thiini wa thirikari mamenye uria mekudili nake kindu kiria etia akaneo gukira kumu impeach. Angiko thirikari-ini mundu ti Rigathi wa Gachagua gutire damage angirakosa thirikari ino. In fact, let me tell you guys, angiko Raila Odinga ni mwena wa opposition, ye ona dangire na ye ona dangikinyete haria Rigathi wa Gachagua akinyetie regime ino, dangimikinyetie hau. No uri Rigathi wa Gachagua mamuingatire. Remember, Rigathi Gachagua has nothing to lose. Remember, ni revenge enayo. Rigathi wa Gachagua oya onetie regime ino ni oya itari yonio ni mundu uki. If at all thiini wa thirikari ino gutire damage angemikite nene, no eja wa regime ino niguo riu ahota ku make damage iria yothe ye mwenyewe ekwenda, because he has nothing to lose. Aya ndona bemwe ni mamwagire gitio na undu wa keri makiuga atiriri ati Rigathi wa Gachagua eguthira within 2 weeks. Now Gachagua has to prove to them that inyumwaire wiki igiri but nini ndirauga ya mamuhaire wiki igiri but as we speak ni araria akaigwekana akaruta maundu matarenda regime ino itarenda maigwe na marari watiriri. What will they do? Marari go muno megweka atia, because now Rigathi Gachagua ni akoretwo muigwa na muigwa wi kironda-ini na ni kiramagia muno. Remember, as we speak, Rigathi wa Gachagua is untouchable. Gutire undu mangimuhutia, mekumuhutia atia? This guy gutire undu mangimeka thaa ici. He is untouchable, ndangihuteka, matingimunyita. Miario aria kuri US ni akuma damage pio, ni akumanina. You know, baadhi miario ni akumanina. In fact, miario Rigathi wa Gachagua araririe no kore andu amwe thiini wa thirikari ino makirutirwo mukana matikana kinye kuri US. And remember, everything Rigathi wa Gachagua araria ni maundu araria ena evidence yamo ye mwenyewe. So they are worried, they don't know what they will do. Maikarite riu oroguo, man, it's getting messy, it's getting tricky. They don't know what to do. Guys, moni manyu mreko inyu murona atia? But miario ya Oscar mundu ti Murkomen ni kuonania already ni maigiretie mai. Thank you, Ngai matu-ini amarathime. Thank you guys, God bless you.